I've got to leave here before I go. I pull my shirt on, walk out the door, drag my feet along the floor.
I would.
June, where the magic begins.
Oh my! Well, it sounds like your stomach is saying we should perhaps go towards some lunch.
You're just gonna have to go.
Hey! What are you doing in my logo this time? Get the fuck out! Stupid.
I see you, you're walking across the campus, cool professor studying romances. How am I supposed to pretend I never want to see you again? How am I supposed to pretend I never want to see you again?
Sonic, please stop making sounds. I'm busy finishing my.
Shut the fuck up, bitch!